Let's get the pressure on.
If you want to, yeah, it's fine. Whichever one you want.
What?
Whichever one you want. Yeah, whatever you want. Stay there, stay there.
That's the way, I like it,
Nice work.
Damn, I hated to shoot through his tail feathers. Sauce.
Well, tell me what happened.
All right, Dar, it's 2017. Just completed my Royal Slam down here from Mississippi. Jam up hunt. Birds came running in. Dusted one. Got ready for the second one. And back in Mississippi, this is what we say. That's the way, I like it,
That was awesome. First morning here in Sonora, Mexico.
That's right. It was awesome. Hands down. A+.
Hopefully the other guys got a couple too.
I hope they did. Show them no mercy, though.
Alright, good job.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
They still got one.
Yeah. Let's go get another one.
All right, snap a picture and let's go get another one.